Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Calendly API key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Calendly homepage. Here, log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. After you're in the Integrations and Apps section, use the search feature to look for the term API. This should bring up the option you need. Among the results, you will see API and webhooks. Go ahead and click on that. The API section provides access to developer tools and resources, highlighting how you can use Calendly's capabilities within your own applications. Moving on, you'll see a button titled Get a Token Now. Clicking this will kickstart the process of acquiring your API key. Just click Continue in the next prompt. Here, you'll be asked to type in a name for your token. Next, click on Create Token. At this point, Calendly will send a one-time code to the email registered with your Calendly account. Once you receive that email, take the code you were sent and enter it back in the provided field. After submitting the correct code, you'll finally be able to view your API token. Congratulations! You've now successfully generated a Calendly API key. And that's it. So that is how you can get Calendly API key. So that's all for this video. Thanks.